Recap 26 here, just tips, repairs, and hobbies. I'm going to learn two things here, and one is color change of a folder. This is the folder right here, and we're going to change that by right-clicking and going down to red. That makes it a medical folder. So that's one thing, and let's do it again. Right-click and make it a purple folder, and that's a springtime folder also. This one we're gonna need a picture. I don't have the picture, but let's find one really quick. And let me search here. Hang on, guys. See if there's some let's see. Let's pick this one right here. This is a picture I took a while back. Okay, so let's paste that picture right there. Let's bring it over. Okay, what we want to do here is we want to change this picture. So we want to open this folder, right click, open, and there it is. That's the picture I took years ago in 2016. You want to go Command C. Okay, Command C and close it out. And then you want to right click this folder right here, go to Get Info, click up here in the box right there, see it right there, and go Command V. Seems like it's not responding. Let's try this one right here. Go like that. And there we go. We changed the folder. See how we changed the folder right here? It's because it already had a picture on here. Okay. So that's how you put a picture on a folder, which is green, red, blue, whatever. You just go Command, open the picture right here. Go Command C, close the photo, then click on this. Go up to the little folder up here. Click on it, and go Command V. That's your video for today. Thanks for watching. I know I did this video before, but this time I think I got it where you really can understand it. God bless you, and please rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. Bye for now.